Welcome. Before we dive in, please enjoy another video from our Dubai Luxe Living YouTube channel, where we proudly showcase the exceptional quality, comfort, and lifestyle that awaits you in Dubai. Sit back, relax, and let's start the video. At Dubai Luxe Living, we specialize in providing fully furnished studio, 1-bedroom, and 2-bedroom apartments for short-term rentals in the most sought-after locations across Dubai, including Dubai Marina, Jumeirah Lake Towers, JLT, downtown Dubai, and Dubai South. Our properties are perfect for a wide range of guests, whether you're traveling with family, friends, on a business trip, or simply exploring Dubai on vacation. We understand that every guest has unique needs, so we offer flexible rental durations from a few days to several months. Why choose us? Comfort and style. Each apartment is thoughtfully designed, with modern, elegant interiors that create a welcoming atmosphere. From plush furniture to contemporary decor, we ensure your stay feels like a true home away from home. Fully equipped. Enjoy high-speed Wi-Fi, smart TVs, fully functional kitchens, air conditioning, laundry facilities, and all the essentials you need to live comfortably. Prime locations. Our apartments are situated close to Dubai's key business districts, entertainment hubs, shopping malls, and public transport, giving you easy access to everything the city offers. Convenience and flexibility. With 24/7 guest support, easy and flexible check-in, check-out options, and secure building facilities, such as swimming pools, gyms, and parking, your stay is hassle-free from start to finish. Safety and cleanliness. We prioritize your well-being by maintaining the highest standards of hygiene and security, with thorough cleaning protocols before every guest arrival. Who can benefit? Families. Spacious apartments with multiple bedrooms to accommodate everyone comfortably. Friends, share or stylish, cost-effective space during your Dubai adventures. Business travelers, stay productive, with quiet, fully equipped workspaces and fast internet. Tourists, experience Dubai's vibrant culture with a comfortable base to return to. Our commitment. At Dubai Luxe Living, our mission is to offer a seamless blend of comfort, style, and convenience, making every stay memorable. We are committed to personalized service, prompt assistance, and exceeding guest expectations, whether for leisure or business. Thank you for choosing Dubai Luxe Living. Now, let's explore what your next stay in Dubai could look like.